Welcome to the HBM Test and Measurement FAQ video series. I am Mike Hoyer, HBM Applications Engineer, and in this video I'm going to provide an introduction on the hardware and software setups for the mainframe's digital I/O 9-pin connector. The digital I/O on Genesis mainframes includes one 9-pin I/O connector and one 44-pin I/O connector on the Gen 2TB, Gen 3i, and Gen 3T mainframes. On the Gen 7i, 7TA, and 17TA mainframes, there are three 44-pin I/O connectors in addition to the one 9-pin I/O connector. Now this particular video is going to focus on the 9-pin connector. There's another video that focuses on the digital I/O 44-pin connector. The functionality of the digital I/O 9-pin connector is provided by the mainframe's hardware and includes connections for external time base, external event out, external trigger in and out, plus external start and stop. Here are the pinout connections for the digital I/O 9-pin connector. Now technical details for each connection can be found on the mainframe's datasheet. Each mainframe includes a 9-pin DB to BNC breakout cable for a quick and easy connection. You'll notice that each wired connection is labeled with the signal connection near each BNC connector. Alright, now for a quick software overview on the 9-pin I/O setup. The external time-based function is available if all the cards inserted in the mainframe support an external time base. Now to set this up, go to the settings sheet and click on Mainframe under the Memory and Time Base header. Then right mouse click in the header and select Show Settings, then Advanced to enable the external selection. Select External from the clock base pull-down menu and enter the appropriate parameters for your encoder in the columns to the right. Now for the external event out function. Go to the settings sheet and click on Mainframe under the General header. Then right mouse click in the header and select Show Settings, then Advanced. Then make the desired event out selection from the Alarm Out pull-down menu. To set the external trigger in and trigger out functions, go to the settings sheet and click on Mainframe under the General header. Then right mouse click in the header and select Show Settings, then Advanced. For trigger in, make the desired selection from the external trigger in direction pull-down menu. For trigger out, make the desired selection from the external trigger out level pull-down menu and enter a desired time for the trigger out delay. Please note, however, that the trigger out delay will only be selectable if all the cards in the mainframe support a shorter delay time. To set up the external start and stop in functions, go to the settings sheet and click on Mainframe under the General header. Right mouse click in the header and select Show Settings, then Advance. Now for the start function, make the desired selection from the external Start Mode pull-down menu. For the stop function, make the desired selection from the external Stop Mode pull-down menu. Well, that completes an overview of the digital I/O 9-pin connector. For an overview of the 44-pin connector, be sure to view the digital I/O 44-pin connector video. Well, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to call, email, or visit our website for the latest product solutions and downloads at www.hbm.com.